I'll be showing you the top COD Form apps for your Shopify store, and for each of these apps, we're taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. The first app we're taking a look at is called Release It, and it's a COD Form and Upsell app. It's going to make it super easy for you to create a one-click COD order form. You're going to have quite a few extra things on top, from upsells, downsells, quantity offers, one-tick upsells, shipping rates, OTP verification, and more. We can see here the UI, making it super simple to fill out, as well as adding quite a few of those options. You can either use it as a pop-up or embed it on the page, and it's going to be fully customizable. In terms of pricing, it's free to install with no additional charges, but it's going to be capped at 60 orders per month. You can get all those features listed there. At $9.99 per month, it's going to be for 360 orders, and then unlimited orders is going to be $29.99 per month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 3.3 thousand 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary, merchants appreciate this app for its easy setup, customization, and features like order management, upsell, downsells, and OTP verification. If we take a look at our next app here called Easy Sell, COD Form and Upsells, it's going to make it super easy again to create one-click COD form with all those features from upsells, quantity offers, one-tick upsells, downsells, OTP verification, as well as more features. And you can configure your form to the smallest details, so you can tailor and fine-tune it with precision and ease. It's going to make it super simple to set this up as well with an advanced drag-and-drop form builder. It's also going to allow you to grow your AOV, or average order value, with upsells, downsells, and one-click offers. It's also going to have features such as multi-pixel/conversion API, a Google Sheets integration, SMS messages, advanced shipping, as well as multilingual and multi-currency. In terms of pricing, there is a free forever plan that again is going to be 60 orders per month. And then at $9.95, it's going to be 360, additional 5 cents for each order. And then at $24.95, you're going to get unlimited orders. This app also has a perfect 5-star rating with 816 5-star reviews. Merchants highly value this app for its robust features, particularly the cash on delivery option. And the app's performance is reliable with a responsive support team. The third app here is called Easy Order COD Form and Order Form, and it's going to replace your long checkout with a customizable one-step order form, which is best for cash on delivery as well as pre-orders. So you can let customers submit an order in just a single click, customize the order form to your liking so you can add all the forms and fields you're looking to include, and you can apply the quick order form to the whole store or specific collections and products only. It's also going to attract abandoned carts, so you can then recontact those customers. This is going to replace long checkout processes with customizable single-step quick orders. In terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial on the paid plan here, and it's just going to be a flat rate $10 per month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a really good 4.2 stars with 53 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest 5-star review here, this merchant found the tool easy to use and integrate with Shopify, and modifications were straightforward and easy to do. And when they needed tech support, the team at Easy Order was right there to assist them with their needs. The final app we're looking at today is called COD Form and Upsell by COD Monster. So you can create a one-click COD order form with upsells, offers, and more. So make it easy to add a one-click upsell option, easily add multiple quantity offers, or quantity breaks such as a fixed rate offer, a buy X get Y, or a percentage off. You can set up multiple payment methods, as well as collect abandoned carts so you can recontact those potential customers. It's going to make it easy to add different shipping rates and set it up with multiple different pixels from Google, Facebook, Snapchat, and TikTok. In terms of pricing, there is a 7-day free trial, and there is a completely free plan at 50 orders per month with one theme available, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of orders. And then at $29.95, you're going to get unlimited orders. In terms of its rating, it's sitting at a really good 4.3 stars with 119 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary here, merchants appreciate this app for enhancing the checkout process and refining upselling strategies, particularly for cash on delivery transactions. They commend its intuitive interface, insightful analytics, and high conversion rate. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can truly understand your store's performance. It's going to include everything from your cost of goods sold to your ad spend to your transaction fees and more. And it's going to lay out everything in an easy to understand dashboard with tons of different analytics and metrics, letting you make smarter business decisions. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and you can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc. and then looking for this logo in the top left here, there's also a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing page directly. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top COD form apps for your Shopify store. Let me know in the comments which one you're planning to use. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. I'm coming out with new Shopify videos all the time and you don't want to miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.